Today we're going to show you how easy it is to cook lobster at home. Okay, so you're going to thaw your lobster tails before you cook them. And then we're going to show you a simple way to pull the lobster meat out of the shell so that it will cook nice and evenly and quickly in the oven. And you want to cook your lobster at a high temperature quickly. This will prevent it from getting tough, that you don't want to cook it at a low temperature slow. We're going to cut through the middle of the shell, and then you're going to spread it apart, and using a spoon you're going to separate the meat from the shell. And we've just gently pulled the meat out, sitting on top of the shell. Just gives it a really nice presentation. And then we've got a 1/4 cup of butter mixed with about a tablespoon of parsley, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and some fresh lemon juice that we're just going to squeeze in there. Brush it on until they're really well coated, and then they're going to go into the oven at 425 for 8 to 10 minutes or so. You don't want to overcook your lobster. And after about 7-8 minutes, they are cooked and they smell delicious. And just sprinkle some fresh parsley on top and add your fresh lemon wedges, and they're ready to go, and they're absolutely delicious.